Hi everybody, Sabaydi. Welcome to my channel. My name is Nali. Today I want to show you how I make my shrimp fried rice. If you're ready, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Garlic. I use 4 to 5 cloves of garlic because mine is very small size. But if yours is bigger, 3 to 4 is fine. An onion, just slice it up. I use like a quarter of the onion. And a tomato, any size tomato will do. I just have this bigger one. And of course, 3 cups of steamed rice. This serving that I'm making, it should feed 3 to 4 people. 2 beaten eggs and some shrimp that I already deveined. And I put it in paper towel so it dries up. So when I cook it, the oil's not bouncing everywhere. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of sugar. Half a tablespoon of soy sauce. Half tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, since we have everything, let's get started. You want to turn your heat on high and put 3 tablespoons of cooking oil of your choice. Once your cooking oil is hot, go ahead and add in your shrimp. You want to leave it on each side for like 1.5 to 2 minutes. When you cook the shrimp in each side for 1 to 2 minutes, you want to go ahead and take it out and set it aside. The reason I set it aside is because I don't want to overcook it when I'm also frying the rice, so I just take it out. And also, shrimp is not the only source of protein you could use. You could use lamb, chicken, beef, pork, whichever you want. So you just set aside just like that. And in the same pan, you want to go ahead and add in your garlic. Fry it a little bit in the pan until it's like a little bit golden brown. So the garlic is kind of golden brown. You want to go ahead and add in the 2 beaten eggs that we did earlier. Just go ahead and mix it and just throw it in the pan. And just wait for that to cook a little bit on each side. Just flip it back and forth. Don't worry, it's going to be all mixed up with the rice, so you won't get this big old chunk. The egg is almost cooked, so you want to go ahead and add in your 3 cups of steamed rice. The steamed rice that I cook, I did not take it directly out from the rice cooker. I just set it aside for maybe like 30 minutes so that way it's cool and cold. Because if you try to make fried rice with the steamed rice that you just took out from the rice cooker, it's going to be all smushy and stuff like that. So you want to leave it outside at least 1 hour before you make your fried rice. You could also just leave it out for 30 minutes or 1 hour. You'll know when your rice is pretty chilled and ready for frying. And please, if you're going to make this, please use the measurement that I gave you. And if you want to tweak anything after that, you could. But just try with this measurement first. I'm telling you, it tastes really, really good. Okay, now we're going to add in our soy sauce. Our sugar. Our black pepper. Our dark soy sauce. Try to get everything out of there. The dark soy sauce is what's gonna make our fried rice like brown dark color. And I did add in the oyster sauce, but somehow I lost the clip of that. And if you like the video so far, hit like and comment below if you would try making this when you watch it till the end. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and just keep stirring just like that. And try to break up every big long piece of rice. Okay, I want to say that we stir that about 3 to 4 minutes. Go ahead and now add in your onion. Trust me, it looks like it's not going to be cooked, but it's going to be cooked. If you've gone to the Thai restaurant or the Lao restaurant and ordered fried rice, I'm just saying mine tastes as good as that. So you have to give it a try. So we probably stir this after we put in the onion another 2-3 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our cooked shrimp back in. And just go ahead and give it a quick stir for like a minute or so. It's starting to smell really good. All right, now add in the tomatoes. And now add in all the sliced green onions. Look how beautiful and brown the fried rice is looking. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells really good. Just go ahead and stir that up. Doesn't that look yummy already? It's coming along nicely. We're almost done. So you want to stir this for like 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, we're done. Voila. See? That wasn't too hard, was it? All right, now that we're done, here's the finishing product. I really hope you guys give it a try, and thanks for watching.